Alright everyone, so it's day 2 in Mysore. Early morning, I am hunting for breakfast and trying to find a best place, and I'm gonna have an experience the street food, like hunting for a tapri types, like small a place where they sell idli on the roadsides. So probably to taste that, I'm gonna experience this way. So hopefully we'll find some good food and healthy food. So let's find and hit the place. Let's go. So I find tea stalls all around, but didn't find any food place. Probably I find something over there. Let's see what is it. Nope, that's a vegetable stall. Let's see. Still I didn't find anything here at this moment. Probably something I'll find further. And please do like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, travel blog, food blog. Yeah. Let's continue from here. So yeah, we finally found a place here. I don't know, it's right opposite to a hotel, Khan Darbar or something. They have beautiful dosa here. They're making a huge, big dosa. It's in masala dosa, I believe. And they have idlis around. Nice, big idlis, huge ones. So, uncle is making something here. So, he's making masala vada. So, he's making masala vada. So this is what they have. They have vadas and they have palau. Which palau? So this is mintia palau, and they have puris. Nice chutneys. They have varieties of chutneys here. This is garam puri. This is hot puris they have.
And rice.
Nice. So give me one idli vada.
One idli vada?
Yeah. Let's see the taste, and I'm going to give you a feedback of the food here and have a taste and let you know the taste of it. Yeah. So we got. Thank you. Yeah. This is what we got. Amazing. We're gonna taste this and give you a review. So it's really soft. You can see it's soft. Bismillah. It's amazing. It's soft and tasty. Amazing. try this vada. Really crispy, soft inside. I'm gonna show you the making of vada. See the way he is doing it. So he's really fast in doing it. Sir, what's your name?
Kumar.
Kumar. So we'll be right in front of this hotel. He has a small shop, but amazing food he has it. Nice. So good experience I had it with food. So let me enjoy my food and get back to you. Cheers. So yeah, let's ask for a bill and see how much is going to charge us. Sir, how much? Sir, how much? It's just 20 rupees, I'll tell you. We had a breakfast with 20 rupees. Thank you. So it's really cheap and tasting good. Try these places and we'll have a good experience having food here. So have a nice day, great day. I'm gonna come up with new videos, good videos for you guys. So please do like and subscribe to my channel. Cheers. Bye.